has got to be the stupidest thing I've done yet. No, I'm not connecting that. So I've just pinched a 12-inch wheel off the kid's bike because I really want to go for a ride on the old Mark V again. No, there's no way that I'm connecting the BT100 up, so no hybrid, just e-bike. I was going to go out for a ride around the streets, but the old boys in blue are out in force in the neighbourhood today, and I'm not risking it. But what I might do is I'll jump on the bike in the backyard and we'll see if we can do a few circuits. The first thing, of course, is will I get any power?
Two weeks later.
This thing shouldn't be flat. It's typical. The battery's dead flat, or it's decided it doesn't want to work again. And that's why I stopped riding this bike in the first place, because it is just so temperamental. As much as I love building the hybrid bike, the two-stroke vibrations have absolutely destroyed all those dodgy, cheap electrical connections. And I'm not an electrician. I don't know how to fix half of that crap up. I can barely solder. So I'll plug the thing in and hopefully put some life back into the battery, and at some point or another I'll try and ride that ridiculous thing. So we'll come and check on that in a couple of hours and see how we go.